Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the runtime and dependencies so receivers run your code, run pip freeze or export pip reject. TOML. Once done, pick a shareable artifact, a single, Pi for quick snippets, a zip for multiple files, or build a wheel for installs. Make sure to include a brief README that lists required Python version and install steps. This first step prevents confusion. It saves time for everyone and sets up the precise files you will package and distribute next. You now assemble the package and annotate it for clarity. Start by creating README requirements. TXT and license show exact commands to run examples. If you want installers, run Python mbuild to create sdist and wheel or pip wheel for standalone wheels. For collaborative sharing, commit to Git with semantic version tags and push. Make sure to test installation in a virtual environment so the steps in README match reality. This reduces back and forth and ensures recipients can reproduce your setup reliably. You finish by choosing the delivery method and verifying it works. Upload to a Git repo or cloud storage, or publish to PyPI for pip install. Include version tags. Once distributed, instruct users to create a virtual environment and run the exact install command you provided. If something fails, request the full error output and confirm Python version and dependency hashes. Often mismatched versions cause install or runtime failures. One quick troubleshooting tip: reproduce the issue in a clean venv to isolate missing packages or path problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.